Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be creating our sides. Now that we've finished the ends, or our short sides, we can cross that off our list and move on to our long sides. We need 3.5 inches by 18.5 and 2 of those. Now, although my plans call for 2 3.5-inch wide pieces, if I measure my piece of scrap wood here, it's 7 inches, and 3.5 plus 3.5 equals 7. However, I also need to think about the thickness of the saw blade, which is 1/8 of an inch. What I'm going to do is set my saw blade to 3.5 inches, and then I'm going to bring it in just a little bit so that I can get 2 pieces out of this board. Next, I'm going to size my boards to 18.5 inches. And now we have 2 sides that are exactly the same.